Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by protecting your system. Create a restore point so you can undo changes. Once done, open Settings and go to Personalization, then Colors. This is where File Explorer theme options live. Make sure you understand the difference between light, dark, and custom. Light affects window backgrounds, dark affects File Explorer and other UI elements, and custom lets you mix modes. You're doing this now because File Explorer inherits these color mode choices, so set the global mode before refining accents. Now you'll apply the actual theme choices. Pick light or dark to immediately change most UI, or choose custom to set Windows mode and app mode independently. This is useful if you want a dark File Explorer but light system dialogues. Then scroll to accent color and pick, or let Windows pick based on your wallpaper. Make sure to toggle Show Accent Color on title bars and Start, Taskbar, and Action Center so Explorer windows display the accent consistently. Wait a moment for changes to propagate. Finish by checking File Explorer visually, open several folder windows and confirmation dialogues to ensure the theme applied. If some elements didn't update, sign out or restart to force a full UI refresh. This often resolves lingering color mismatches. For advanced adjustments, consider high contrast themes or a targeted registry edit, but make sure you understand the risk. That's why you made a restore point. If colors still fail, revert via the restore point and retry with a different mode or a fresh user profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.